Oh man, what a day. Got some tropical storm rolling through. We're under a signal 2 here on Sherrill Island. It has just been raining cats and dogs all day. But what do we do here? The 215 when we're under a signal 2 tropical storm. We put the star on the Christmas tree. That's what we're doing. Putting the star on the Christmas tree. Now we got to make sure it stays up there. You got to make sure it stays.
Oh, well, we're gonna make like we're gonna nail that down first, and then we're gonna like tie with nylon a lot, so the wind cannot make them fly.
So the wind can't blow it away.
Yeah, the wind can blow that away until America.
Huh?
If the wind blow that one, the next day I woke up, that star will be there in America.
There you go. Yeah, it is just raining. This is actually a slow rain. It was pouring. Let me get underneath here because it's starting to come again. It's just pouring like crazy.
You're gonna make this star first.
Guess he's gonna get some. He's gonna get some type of frame up top to mount the star to, but crazy. And surprisingly, guys, the Starlink works fine. Get a little buffer here and there, but it worked good enough where I could watch them Cowboys beat the Eagles. How about them Cowboys? Yeah. And believe it or not, like the kids are out playing in the rain. Blood, she's just like, doesn't matter, I'm gonna go out. Playing in the rain.
Instead of getting bored and get tired of it, then play with it.
Oh, I hope you don't get sick, young lady.
Oh, never get sick.
Remember, you're not getting any younger.
I know, right?
They finished up the roof out there on the shed, in the house, the shack, whatever you want to call it, the bungalow. They put, what is that called? What are they putting on, Lud? What do you call that? No.
Oh, they're going to put like...
No, what they're putting on.
Yeah?
Yeah, nipa. They put the nipa on right there, so now they could sit outside. And they had to replace one of the panelings, the tin paneling, or two, because it was leaking, so they did that today. And they're hooking it up. They are hooking it up, making it livable for themselves. I know somebody said, it's a muddy mess right there. Why don't you get some stones and put it there? Not my job. Not my job, guys. I'm not doing that. I threw stones in here. This was a massive muddy mess through here. I threw 2 truckloads in through here, and trust me, it would look like that if I didn't put this in here. Some of you guys remember it, but we get the rain, we get the water. All this water that sits in here comes off the road, swoops down through here, comes down through here. Supposedly, they were supposed to put some kind of drainage ditch in there, but well, who knows what happened to that funds, right? But yeah, even roosters are hiding. Roosters will survive. They'll find somewhere to go. They'll hang out somewhere. Oh, there goes one now. He's running. They don't even like to be in the rain. Well, there's a couple out, but this is what we do with a tropical storm rolling through. No school today. They canceled school. These poor kids. They haven't. I'm telling you, this month of November, it started in October, the week of week of Halloween. It started off that whole week. Following week they were off. Following week where they were off. They went back to school for a couple days, I think, this past week. Now they're off. They have spent time out of school in this. I think we're going into the third quarter, second quarter, whatever. They've spent more time out of school than they have gone to school. Mabuhay, welcome to the Philippines. DepEd education. We #1 in all of Asia. Relax, I'm joking, guys. Don't jump up and yell at Philly. That looks good. Oh, it's good up there. He's getting it. I'm not gonna roll out there. What's wrong, Goy? Goy's playing. That'll look nice. They wrapped, what do you call it? Solar lights. We bought 2 strings of solar lights to wrap around the moon. It's a half moon. It has something to do with some kind of tradition here. I don't know. And then they put 2 stars up there, and that's yellow. But it looks good. It definitely looks good. They're doing it. It's going on 3-month project, and Luke said, "I want it done." Everything's ready. The stars are ready. They've all been painted, and we'll get it up there. But let me show you here. Did a driveway here. This gets all this water here. That flows over from here. Wow. I heard some screaming. There was a small pipe in here, but I don't know what happened to it. I actually need to get a nice big pipe, dig this out, get the flow of that water flowing down in through there. So, but these vegetables here, whatever they are, they cut them, they use them. It requires water to grow in. Don't ask me what it is. I always said, let's turn it into a tilapia pond. There they go. There he is. Tintin. Oh, no. Warm your hand by the fire. Get some marshmallows, Nene. I need some marshmallows so we can have some marshmallows. Heating up water for coffee, right, Nene? There's Nene. All right, Nene. Oops, Ashley's doing dishes. Everything's getting wet. You gotta watch where the wind blows. You gotta move stuff out from underneath things, because if you don't, the wind will blow the rain in. Yeah. Hey, the sidewalk they put in, that's holding up pretty good. It's not overflowing, it's not muddy. Somebody told me I should build a sidewalk there. Not my job. Yeah. It's a crazy day. You can see the wind blowing the trees, the wind blowing the coconut trees. Booyak Man's been out doing the Nipa, him and his brothers, all day in the rain. They've been doing that to get that roof, that little porch roof over there set up. How you doing, Lut?
Huh?
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm very, very cold.
You're very cold?
Yes, very cold, very windy, but I need to make this one done. So we are finishing the stuff that I need to be done because I don't want to finish it until next year.
Are you going to get pneumonia?
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 No, I don't know.
Oh.
I'm hoping not to, but you know, I've been like doing this before, so
Yeah.
I'm hoping
There's the
not to.
stars. She's done the stars finally. Those are all coat hangers. If you take a close look, it's all coat hangers. They use fishing line to tie them together, and then of course we use spray paint to paint them yellow, green, white, and red. But that is finally done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Back out. Get back out there. Finish that tree. All right. Rain has stopped finally. Just a small little mist in the air. But check out the OSHA approved ladder. OSHA approved ladder. All right. Some sticks put together, nailed together in an A-frame, supporting Tintin up there. Where's your harness at? Safety harness? OSHA approved ladder. What? OSHA approved ladder, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Extra hermits over here.
What's supervising? Right, Lon?
This is the land of jungle.
This is the jungle. That's because we are trailer park jungle trash, right? Trailer park jungle trash at its finest. Oop, wind's picking up. Wind is picking up again. Whew. Is it level? Is it straight? Is it going to blow away? Tin? All right, Tin says no. He's got zip ties up there. No, nyan. You sure? She's the boss. She's supervising. She knows what's going on. But flowers are nice, huh?
Yeah, but that's over water. That's why they're
Over
dead.
water, they're dying. You have to move them.
The thing with this one here is once it's done,
Yeah.
you're gonna replant.
Yeah.
That's the kind of plant.
See, we did have to put a couple posts in here. Support lines from there. There's one going up. Here's one going down. Because during the typhoon, the two typhoons we had, old cousin, it did tilt a little bit. It tilted. And so they put two support strings in there because the wind comes from this way. When we had the typhoons, it comes this way. And you can't even see the mountains out there. There's mountains out there. You can't even see them. That's how foggy it is and rainy and misty. All right. Job yak. All right, yak man. What are you using, nails? Oh, recycling nails. Yeah. Good job, yak. Boat water transportation was shut down today. Boats going from here to Socorro and all the other islands were shut down today. And Uyak's goes a class over in Socorro, on the island Bucas Grande over there, and the waterways were shut down, so he couldn't travel back to attend class today. But then again, all classes were shut down also today, so no big deal. No big deal. It's gonna be nice when it's done. Finally. We got another OSHA approved job here. Uyak, is this OSHA approved job? You got a permit for this? Yeah. Gotta block off that there so the rain don't go in. Another OSHA. Where's your safety harness? No safety harness. Where's your steel tip boots? No steel tip boots required. This is the Philippines. Where's your safety hat at? No safety hat needed. I always said OSHA would have a field day here in the Philippines with everything that goes on. Do they have rules? Do they have regulations? Well, I mean, come on, we're at 215 Homestead here. And here in the Philippines, there's no need. That is coming from a future PNP man. Huh? Huh? What? What? What, yak?
You see in the Philippines?
Hang on.
Yeah.
Slim Jim's making too much noise, huh?
Spider-Man have a suit.
Yeah.
And a brief. But here in the Philippines, Spider-Man have a brief.
Oh, there. Hey, Spider-Man! How come you're not up there, Spider-Man?
What ka kasabot, boy?
Huh? Spider-Man, where you going? Yeah. They do have rules, they do have regulations when you go on job sites, of course. I've gone on job sites, helmets, or not helmets, but safety hats on and earplugs and eye protection and and all the other fun stuff that OSHA requires. Then I've gone on job sites here where, we just do what we want. We just do what we want. I say, I don't think there's any type of OSHA here in the Philippines that goes from job to job to job to job and checks on the work and the safety and all that, and gives out fines and all the other fun stuff that OSHA loves to do. But tree is coming along. Looking good. They got a nice row going already, and they're still working on it. All right, guys, while they wrap our jungle Christmas tree up, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I had to get it right. I had to get it right. I saved the comment, but erased it off my channel. A troll called us Philippine province jungle trash. I had to get it right. You gotta love the trolls, right? The people that are just that miserable, that hateful. Remember, like Guns N' Roses? You gotta learn to live like an animal in the jungle where we play, right? But anyways, what a day. It finally, skies they're still cloudy, but not as dark. And believe it or not, I did, planes come in. They come in this way to land to the airport. Down that way. Down that way is the airport. And believe it or not, I heard quite a few airplanes today rolling in and out. It seems like within the past couple months, there's been a lot more activity with planes rolling in and out of Siargao Island. Hopefully bringing more tourists here. Hannah will come in that way also. But anyways, guys, it's been a very interesting day. Matter of fact, I even turned off my air conditioner today in my bedroom. First time in weeks. And I leave it run. And I like it to be cool. And it was a little bit too chilly today. Got my rain jacket on, as you can see. I didn't want to come out here with a shirt on or, no shirt and then get sick the next day or something like that. Because out here in the jungle, you don't want to be sick, especially as you get older, right? Now, little ones, they could bounce back if they get sick, but they've been playing in the rain and this weather ever since they've been born. There goes a dog. Thought, what the heck was that? But anyways, that's our day today. Monday. It's been a rather rainy day. And the only really good thing about it, well, two good things. Finally going to get that completed, the stars up there and everything. I'll show you that I'll show it to you when it's completely done, with the sun shining and a nice shot at night with all the lights blinking and everything like that. That was one. The second thing was, how about them Cowboys? Yeah, how about them Cowboys? Somebody said, you'd have thought they won the Super Bowl. No, it's that rivalry between Cowboys and Eagles. That rivalry. All week long, the Eagles talk their trash on social media. This and that, and the Cowboys do the same thing. And, hey, we got that win today. That's all that matters. I know we're not going to the Super Bowl. It'll be a miracle if we make it to the playoffs. But we got that win today. So anyways, guys, with that being said, leave comments down below. Leave comments down below. I always like to read your comments. And with that being said, from the Philippines province, jungle trash, the Philly 215, Philippines jungle trash. Homestead. We'll talk to you later.